I'm around.
Hey, what's up? What's your name?
Brandon.
What are you doing here?
I got a booth over there set up. I'm installing some seat covers.
Okay, tell us about the seat covers.
Pretty much they're exclusive seat covers, but they look like upholstery kits.
Okay.
Yeah, so they're not gonna be those universal, run-of-the-mill seat covers.
Okay.
They're custom fit for every vehicle.
Okay. What's your company called?
ExclusiveCoversUSA.
Okay. So what if I wanted to get some seat covers? You have something to match Super Pinky?
Oh yeah. We can get you right. We can get you
Really?
right, definitely.
Okay. I've seen a lot of your covers. What was your favorite one that you did?
I got two favorites. It's definitely Danny's Jeep. That was my favorite for a while until I did the new one. I can't think of the name.
Are you talking about Big Snow?
Yeah, that's my new favorite.
I knew it, because that's my favorite too.
Yeah,
I love that Jeep. It was beautiful. You did a great job on that.
I appreciate that.
Yeah. So what do you want us to know about you and your company?
That's a good question. Basically, I'm just trying to get the best seat coverage to the market.
Okay.
And what I'm trying to do different, I'm gonna give people more options.
Okay.
Most companies, you can only select what they give you.
Right.
I want to give people unlimited selection.
Okay. So tell us again, what's your name?
Brandon.
Thank you, Brandon, for talking with us. Definitely a pleasure. And yeah, we will be looking out for you. Tell us where people can find you.
You can just Google Exclusive Covers USA. You'll find me everywhere. On every social media site, I'm there.
Awesome. Thank you.
You're
We'll see you later.
All right.
Thank you.